sir! Welcome back to our video. My name is Desirante Marsitumang and my friend
And my name is Nabila Shakira.
and our major is Department of Commercial Shipping and Port Management
Level 3.
at Indonesia Maritime Academy IP Makassar. So right now we will present our video and we hope
All of you guys will enjoy our video.
so happy watching!
Good morning, this is Radio Wasida. How can I help you?
Morning too. This is Desirante Marsitumang from Dalton Hotel Makassar. I would like to place an order.
Sure, what do you need?
We need 10 box of pineapple, 15 box of mango, and 7 box of watermelon.
Okay, let me confirm. 10 boxes of pineapple, and 15 boxes of mango, and 7 boxes of watermelon.
That's correct. Could you deliver them by Saturday?
Yes, we can. We'll send you the invoice by email.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A few minutes later.
Hello guys, so that's all our video. Thank you for your opportunity and for your time.
Bye bye! See you on our next video.